If I had to start my smart home from scratch today, I'd do it completely differently. After testing dozens of gadgets, here's exactly what I'd focus on and the 8 devices I'd choose to build a smarter, simpler setup from the ground up. SwitchBot Hub 2. I'd start with this as my central hub. It supports Matter, connects older IR-controlled devices, and acts as a bridge for automations. This keeps everything unified and future-proof. Aqara Motion Sensor P1. Instead of manually controlling everything, I'd automate lighting and routines using motion. These sensors are reliable, fast, and the battery lasts for years. Game changer for hallways, bathrooms, and nighttime movement. Topo Smart Bulbs 2-pack. I'd avoid getting sucked into overpriced lighting ecosystems. Topo bulbs are budget-friendly, color customizable, and integrate easily with Alexa. Enough to get started without overcommitting. Casa Smart Plug 2-pack. These plugs handle everything from coffee machines to heaters. I use them to automate basic electronics and reduce standby power. Cheap, simple, essential. Echo Dot 5th Gen. I'd skip the fancier screens at first and go with a basic voice assistant. The 5th Gen Dot has solid sound, a temp sensor, and lets me control everything hands-free, small but powerful. Amazon Smart Thermostat. For climate control, this is efficient, affordable, and smart enough for most setups. It adapts to your schedule and helps cut energy costs without needing complex inputs. Philips Hue Smart Button. Sometimes, physical control is just faster. I'd add this to high-traffic areas like the hallway or entry so I can instantly toggle scenes or lights. It's small, clicky, and works perfectly with my setup. Eufy Video Doorbell Dual. Security is important, and this doorbell does it all. Package view, facial recognition, and no monthly fee. I'd choose it again in a heartbeat. It's reliable and privacy-focused. The key takeaway? When building a smart home from scratch, it's not about buying everything. It's about starting with the right foundation. These 8 devices are where I begin. If you're setting up your home or thinking about upgrading, I've linked everything I'd personally recommend in the description below. Let me know in the comments what your smart home journey would start with.